Good afternoon, guys. What we've got here is just a little touchdown on BTC. What we previously had, I said if we could get a push to 40k, we'd basically be looking then for either a break and a retest to break this resistance over here of 40k, retest it and then push back up. If we see what I've got here now, we've got a trend line. So where we were coming up, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, so on. We then came up to 65k where we failed to break. And then we started making lower lows, lower highs, lower low, consolidation, lower high, lower low, back down here. But we're on the daily time frame a minute, guys. If we just look at the 4 hour, this will start to make a bit more sense. So we did originally say that we were targeting 30k. We actually came down to $31,010. So we were a little bit away. No harm done because my bias was still there. If we take this away, we've come back up to the $40,000 region where we have had a slight break yesterday at around 9 o'clock, 1 o'clock, sorry. We've consolidated around 40k, where I personally think now what we're going to see is something like this. We're going to have a little push up to take out this liquidation over here, push down to here, and then continue back up to the bigger time frame, which would make sense to continue the bearish momentum. So what that'll give us the opportunity to do, guys, if BTC manages to pump up to 50k, obviously that's going to bring a lot of other altcoins up, Phantom, XRP, Ether, so on and so forth. Just a quick little look with Phantom as well. Starting on the 4 hour, what we've had here is our point of resistance at 40 cents. Again, like I say the other day, guys, let's just take this into consideration. BTC was 40k. Phantom is 40 cents. So what we want to achieve with Phantom, we've had this little breaker structure here. We could call this a bit of a retest down at this point here at around 27 cents, where we then pushed up, broken a support, come back down, retested. Again, with Phantom, what I was looking to achieve with this, guys, was to come back down and claim some of this liquidity. But here we did come down to 20, where are we, 23.5, so 0.235. We pushed up again, broke the structure, retested. Now I believe that we could still see Phantom pushing back up to 40c, potentially. Let's just have a little look here. So we'll take the Fibonacci tool again from the last significant high to the last significant low. So there's a potential of us coming up to 65 cents, guys, before then continuing back down. So then obviously we could be looking at taking more profits on Phantom before buying back in at lows, sell at the high, buy at the low. Obviously we've got to be monitoring this movement now to see where we are moving forward. If we can hold above 28c, let's just tap that in there. So we've got 27.6. So yeah, if we can hold the support area of 28c, there's no reason why we can't go up to 40 cents for Phantom. Little touchdown on XRP. That's all that was, guys, was a sell order at 119. So if I get rid of that, currently what we've got here, remove every drawing off the chart, top down analysis. Again, XRP, where we've seen this massive push up to nearly $2, 197, we came down, so we came up higher, and then we broke that trend, the bullish trend. So we came lower low, lower high, lower low, and then obviously we did be looking to make a lower high. Again, where is our support here? It's at the bottom of the candle body, so we're looking at about 0.8 cents. So if we plot a horizontal line there, and again, guys, this is how you piece the chart together in order to see where the chart is supporting and also where the chart is rejecting. So we've got 0.8 there. We can clearly see we broke through previous resistance. We broke through, came back down, didn't quite touch it, came up, came back down, pushed through, but we actually closed just slightly above. So yeah, what I'd be looking for now, guys, again with XRP, all in favour of BTC pushing up. We could potentially see XRP coming up to 150. So we could sort of see something like this. This coming from here to here before continuing back down to 20 cents. Why 20 cents? Previous support, which was never retested. So if we just put a horizontal line just for you guys to see. Okay. So 20 cents, perfect. It's the floor level of XRP, whereas previous resistance becoming support. We came down, came up, broke through. So for me, like I say, the probability of us coming up here is highly likely. That is, as long as BTC can hold ground above 40k. So the analysis isn't just like, oh, where did we get this from? And if we pull the Fibonacci tool out on BTC also, from the last significant high to the last significant low, we can see that, where are we, 48.5 is the 618 fib level. So if we pushed up with a wick up to the trend line, that would for me make perfect sense for the trend continuation to the downside. So I will be updating you all with this, guys, but like I say, the basic structure, what we're looking for here now is for BTC to push up through 40, slowly make its way up to 50 before pushing back down. Phantom potential to push up to, let's have a look. Let's see, so we've got Phantom to push up to potential 60 to 65C before continuing down. We've also got XRP, as just stated, 150 before pushing down to 20 cents, where this will be then an area of interest because it will become a buy area. So we'll have buy orders set at 20 cents. Feel free, like I say, guys, we're still at good buy areas here. You never know what's going to happen in the crypto market, but as far as technicals go and what I've just broken down, this makes sense for us to see these type of moves in the coming weeks. Ethereum, same sort of scenario. We've got a bit of a trend line. There's a chance Ethereum could push up to 3,400, which is also, again, the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. What we can see with Ethereum here, guys, is we've just been in a period of consolidation where we've neither been in a bullish or bearish trend. We've just been in and out of ups and downs in a certain zone. So this is called a consolidation. What we'd be waiting for now is a potential touch up to here where we could hit 3k, also touching the trend line, and then we could pull back down. So it's all about waiting with this, guys, and not jumping into the market and having any FOMO. People on YouTube saying we're going to the moon, because unfortunately, as we can all see, guys, we're in a downtrend. As I explained the other day, guys, with Cardano, we can clearly see we're in an uptrend. Now, I put this in my chat for a few people to take a trade. If anyone took that trade, great, because perfect sense, following trend, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, pushed up. We're now coming down to test the 50 EMA on the 4 hour. So the 1 hour now could potentially see us coming a little bit down to the 50 EMA before continuing back up to take out these highs, and then up to 175, take out these highs. So again, all of this will be updated. It'll all be all updated as we go through the days. This was just a little breakdown, guys, just to show you what I think is personally going on with the markets. And apart from every other chart we look at, VeChain, whichever it may be, we are in a bearish market, guys. So don't let anybody else tell you otherwise. That's basically it. So hit the like button, guys. It's much appreciated.